Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup in Zelda Breath of the Wild. Crafting delicious and beneficial soups is a fantastic way to boost Link's abilities and health. You will need a cooking pot, which can be found throughout Hyrule, and a few key ingredients. We will cover everything from basic recipes to advanced techniques, ensuring you can whip up any soup you desire. Get ready to become a master chef. To begin your soup-making journey, you will always need at least one vegetable and one herb or spice. For example, a simple vegetable soup might combine a fortified pumpkin with a Hyrule herb. You can also use ingredients like swift carrots or various mushrooms as your vegetable base. Remember, the quality and type of your ingredients directly influence the soup's potency and effects. Experiment with different combinations. Beyond basic sustenance, soups can provide powerful buffs. Incorporate ingredients like a sunshroom for chili resistance or a spicy pepper for warmth. Adding a hardy radish or big hearty radish will create a hearty soup, fully restoring health and adding bonus hearts. You can mix up to 5 ingredients in total, so choose wisely to maximize your soup's benefits and effects. The possibilities are vast. For the best results, always cook your ingredients in a pot with a lit flame. Cold cooking yields no benefits. Explore Hyrule to gather a wide variety of vegetables, herbs, and special effect items. Remember, you can combine up to 5 ingredients, so mix and match to create soups tailored to any situation. Embrace the culinary adventure and enjoy discovering all the delicious and powerful soups you can make.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.